Yeah, here we have a Dumore 57031 tool post grinder set. It is unused, it's in beautiful condition, it's still in the factory box. It's shown here, that'll ship in that box. All the pieces appear to be with the unit here. Here's your spindle, you got 3 grinding wheels, you got 5 pulleys, you have some tools, you have your guard, you have your guard mount here. Here's your wheel dresser and your grinding wheel cover. We didn't even pull, this is still taped up, we didn't even pull it out so we know what it is. Just wanted to show you the whole unit. The boxes were sealed, so this was in one box, all these other parts were in another box. We had to open them up just to verify what's inside them. Also, we're going to fire this up for you just to show you that the motor does operate. So this unit is just in beautiful shape here. It comes in this wonderful plastic case here. Here's your maintenance and instruction manual that's included with it. Please check out our photos also, and this is what's included and only what's included with this tool post grinder. And we thank you for looking at our product.